welcome to today's video where I'll show you how to make your very own gorgeous mohair crochet scrunchie. This project is perfect for beginners and the best part is you can make it any size you want. To get started, gather all your materials. You will need some mohair scraps. I used like 10 grams for the big ones and 3 grams for the small one, a 4mm crochet hook, stitch marker and a hair tie. Remember, the size of your finished scrunchie will be determined by the size of your hair tie. Let's get started. Begin by making a slip knot and creating a chain that is 4 or 5 times the length of your scrunchie's circumference. For a full scrunchie, go with 5 times, but in this example and in the small one, I used 4 times the length. And for the blue one, I used like 4.5 times the length. If your hair tie measures about 12 centimeters in circumference like mine, make your chain approximately 48 centimeters long. Make sure your chain is not twisted and then join it into the round with a slip stitch. Then chain 2 and half double crochet into every stitch all around. You can use half double crochet, single crochet. Feel free to choose your preferred stitch. It doesn't really matter. So use your preferred stitch and crochet around the first chain. Once you completed the round, slip stitch in the second chain from the chain 2 you did at the beginning of the round to join the round. Then chain 2. Continue with this pattern, working half double crochet stitches all around until your piece is as long as you want. You will need to try the next step with your hair tie to see how much longer you should crochet. This is how your finished piece should look like. For this yellow scrunchie, I made it around 9 centimeters long, while for the smaller green scrunchie, I made it about 5 centimeters long. Now it's time to insert the hair tie. Slide the hair tie onto your work and adjust so there is an opening in the center. Your first and last row will be sewn together with the hair tie in the middle. Locate the starting and ending points of your work and place stitch marker to keep track. You can also add a few more markers a couple of centimeters apart all around. Now take out your first stitch marker, insert your hook back into the loop and slip stitch through both sides of your work to close the scrunchie. Repeat this step all around the scrunchie until it's fully closed. Feel free to tuck the tail into the hole so you don't have to weave it in. Once you worked your way around, make your final slip stitch, cut your yarn and fasten off. To finish, weave in the loose end and you are done. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial and please give it a like and subscribe if you enjoyed. And until next time, bye!